Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and much more. We can see right now Bitcoin is dropping a little bit right here. We are at 114,394 right now. We also are basically forming here some kind of a bull flag. So here we have the pole and here we have a nice flag formation. So if this flag formation will break out, we can expect the same move as from here to here, which would be around $3,000. So from here, we will go to around 117, $18,000, which would be quite positive. But for now, many of the altcoins we can see here are dropping a little bit on this Bitcoin drop. So right now, market is still uncertain. Ethereum sitting at around $4,800. It had a little bit of a push just before, just a couple of hours ago. It went above $4,800, and right now, let's see, we are. What's the pattern here for Ethereum? For now, it looks like a consolidation phase, so we could break out to $5,000 very, very soon. Let's see if that will happen or not. We already reached the target of the inverse head and shoulders right now. I'm still in all of my trades. Some of them are massively in the profits. We can see here my Ethereum trade, 58k in profits. Then we have here some of my altcoins trades. They are in the red just because I opened them quite recently, I think just around 1 to 2 weeks ago. Most of the trades I opened at that time are still in the red. Besides Solana I also opened at around that time, and it's 33k in profits. And we have here my link trade, 23k in profits, Doge trade, 10k in profits, and VeChain trade also nicely in profits. Bitcoin trade not moving so much, I have to say. Like, it slowed down a little bit after we broke above the 100k, and right now I think it might be time for a nice juicy altcoin season that's about to come. So we will definitely talk about Ethereum, what are the price targets, and more. In my opinion, I think Ethereum can go to $8,000 this cycle, maybe even $12,000. So there is still a lot of room to grow, and many of the altcoins will experience a push with that as well. Just a question right now, guys. We can see here on the 4 hourly, we already touched the overbought area again. And every time, guys, almost every time we're touching the overbought area, we are having a little bit of a cool off phase. Almost every time, like this indicator, it's right in most of the cases. We can see here last time the RSI touched the overbought area right here. Let's showcase this. We went down around almost 15% for Ethereum, guys. And again, when we touched the oversold area, from there we went up around 20%. So for now, the indicator is playing out quite nicely. We can easily measure it here. We can see almost 20% profit since the RSI went into an oversold zone. It just basically just touched the oversold zone, and then it had a big spike to the upside. So I would definitely wait for the RSI to get oversold until I'm opening some new positions. Right now, the market is a little bit uncertain. I won't jump into long positions right now. I'm actually thinking if I should open a hedge position, a short hedge position. Let's see which ones might be interesting to do. For now, let's see, maybe some of the not so good performing tokens, maybe Cyber. Let's see, let's open maybe a short hedge position on Cyber. We can see it can easily go to $1.50. So let's try and see what will happen with that. Let's do a 2.7k position on Cyber, open short, confirm, and order placed. So we will wait for this order to fill. I'm still in many of my trades, but I have such good entries that I'm quite happy. And right now, I think it's not the time to add to those trades because the RSI is a little bit overbought, or for this one, for example, it's in the middle. So I will definitely wait for the RSI to cool down, and I will add more when we are near the 30 zone on the RSI. Now, let's see, when the RSI will get oversold, I will definitely buy some more Ethereum, Dogecoin. I like Uni as well. Let's check out the RSI for Uni. Also, it's in the middle right now, so I think it might have another leg to the downside very soon. We can see last time it dipped below $10, so this might happen again. We didn't form a higher high here, unfortunately, which is not so nice. So let's see for now. We might see some little bit of retracement in the upcoming days. I think maybe just in the upcoming 48 hours, and after that, I think the market will start going back up again. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin also slightly going down. So I would say that's it for today's video. I will update you tomorrow again. Make sure you're subscribing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye. Bye.